So today, and actually all week, all our kindergarten classes and also pre-K are coding a robot called KIBO. So KIBO allows the students to lay out some blocks in order, and they scan each block so that KIBO understands the program it needs to perform. And each student is creating their own code for their KIBO robot to perform.
The students are learning that it takes coding to program small things like toys or computers or just how their everyday electronics work. And so they discover that to make something work, it needs to follow an algorithm. And I show them this in the library by reading Baby Loves Coding book. And so it shares with them some vocabulary like algorithm, and it shares with them that they're going to be programming so that they know how some of their basic everyday electronics work.
Well, to program KIBO, it's really easy and kind of cool too. To program it, you use program blocks to tell it what to do. You first use the green one, and then when you want to make it stop, you just use the red one. And when you're done programming, you push a green button on top of it, like this. It does the same thing that the blocks show it to do. Well, there's a move that's called up. Well, it can move up and down and left to right too. But also it can jump, but it's not really jumping, it's just going a little high a little bit. Well, it teaches kids how to program stuff, to program these type of robots.
I believe with a lot of modeling and using the correct terminology with the students, they are understanding. And if they run into a problem, they'll ask us for help, or even their partner will help them as well. But by modeling and working with them one-on-one, going to each group, moving around, they're able to establish a goal with their robot.
If anyone wants to be a scientist when they grow up, they can learn from these robots. If they want to be a builder, or a scientist for that matter.
This wouldn't be possible without the help from the Deer Park Education Foundation. They provided the read aloud that Ms. Gonzalez reads to the students on coding, and we have many coding books that we have added to the library collection. And all of the KIBO robots that you see here were funded by a grant.